Bonjour, comment ça va? Bienvenue. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make stickers. You will need the following: a pair of scissors, tape, parchment paper, printed out or drawn pictures. Let's get started. You can take your pictures, guys, and start cutting. Guys, I'm cutting these because they're my favorite characters. And next we're going to do Bluey. Now I'm just going to cut around her head. I love owls because they have such cute and big heads, especially Queen Bee, and her hair is golden. It looks so pretty. I'm just going to cut out 2 more characters now, guys. Guys, I'm finally done. Look at all my cuttings. They look so pretty. Now let's turn them into stickers. Let's just put them aside and roll out our parchment paper. Let's start with Queen Bee. Let's place over here. Now let's get some tape. Really long piece of tape, but not too long. Now let's cut. Let's add a little more tape because the bun is still coming out. Now let's cut it out again. Let's leave a small space, guys, so we can peel off the sticker. There you go, guys. 1 sticker done. Let's move on to the next one. Wait, guys. I forgot. We need to stick this in our book. Let's open it up. Wow guys, it looks so pretty. Queen bee done. Let's move on to the others. Let's use the same piece of parchment paper so we don't waste. Let's do the kitty all around now. Get some tape. Collect the excess. Put it on. Perfect. Get it? It's a kitty cat. Let's press it down nice and hard. Now let's get cutting. Done, guys. Looks so gorgeous. Let's stick it in the storybook now. Beautiful. 2 more to go. Perfect. Let's cut them out. Now guys, let's stick them in. All of them look so gorgeous together, guys. Hey guys, something is happening. Stars just magically appeared. And now there's a marker there. I think they want me to write an important message. I think they know what I want to write. Like and subscribe. That's a really important message, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's move on to Bluey now. Which one should I cut out? I think I should just cut out all of them. Let's get started. Let's start with Bluey, my favorite character. Cut out her leg and her arm. Guys, when you're making stickers, it's actually easier to make smaller stickers than big stickers. Done! Mini Bluey! Bingo's turn! Let's cut out her tail. Now her hand. And the little ears. And the hand. And her leg. Perfect. Now let's move on to Chili, the mom. Start with the ears and her nose. Let's go down and tummy and legs. Done. Now let's cut out bandage, the dad. Looks like the dad's doing a cool dance move. To cut out the legs. And the tail. Now let's move up his back. His hand. Done. Now let's get our parchment paper. Let's get started. Just going to get some tape, guys. Now let's use some more tape to cover the bottom of them. That sounds funny to say. Now let's start cutting. Remember to leave a small space so the sticker will be able to stick. We're done with Chili. Let's leave her aside. Now let's finish Bandits. Done! Chili and Bandit are done now. Let's stick them into the book. Let's start with Chili. Now let's move on to Bluey and Bingo, the two main characters. Let's get the tape. Bluey and Bingo here. Bingo! Bluey! Now apply some more tape, guys. We're done with Blue. Now let's move on to Bingo. Done. Now let's stick them in our book. Let's put Bingo next to the dad. And Bluey next to Bingo. The Bluey family has come together. Please like and subscribe. Au revoir, bye and shine bright.